In 2199, I got the lowest spec iQOO Z10 Turbo again.
Many friends want to see how this phone performs with 144 frames in PUBG. No problem, I'll explain it to you clearly. Let's first take a look at the appearance.
As for the screen, it is 6.78 inches with a resolution of 2800 by 1260 and a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Plastic frame, plastic back cover, still square and can still stand easily on the small screen. This white one here tends to pick up fingerprints easily, but they are not very noticeable. The performance is equipped with the Dimensity 9004 Plus processor. We have 12 plus 256, and there's this, an 8-day fun battery with 90-watt charging. I have to say, this battery is really big. In performance mode, we ran a simple benchmark, scoring 2,670,000 points, surpassing 93% of users.
In terms of gaming, HDR 90, high definition 90, military 90, smooth 144. Okay guys, smooth, we play at 144. This is my second time playing at 144 frames.
Pay attention here, I set it to 144, but it's still 120 frames, and earlier I set it to 144, but it still showed 120. I haven't updated the system. Once you get it, update the system. I have the latest system now, and it's okay.
The battery is at 87%. Let's start again. Okay, this time it's right, guys. This time we directly have 144. Let's record it directly. When you get it, you have to follow me anyway. My device is updated. If you don't update the system, setting it to 144 will still be 120. So we are playing at 144 again, guys. No more talking. This game has 144. Just watch how I perform. No problem. Let's jump right in instantly.
Huh? Okay, no fluctuations, ha ha ha. Hey, through the clouds, get me to 138.
Brothers played for 16 minutes. It's 120 now. 120. The room temperature, our room temperature is 25.1 in a small air-conditioned room. Let's see how many degrees it is, this 120.
So the phone is now at 48.2 degrees. You know, the drop from 140 to 120 feels about the same as from 120 to 90.
Hey, wait a moment, let me see, it's fine again, guys. This 18 minutes. After a while, it's fine again. Oh, this.
Well, played for 27 minutes, and it's back to 120, guys. Okay, guys, finally we play for 36 minutes. Room temperature is 25.2 degrees. The phone is finally at 47.2 degrees. Battery remaining is 74% with 13% consumed.
Come, let's look at the strategy map. An average of 137.5. This is our entire record for 36 minutes. Played 2 rounds in total. Not many people. 5 people in the first round, 13 in the second. No need to look at the results. It locked up for a while in the middle, huh? Then it was fine again, and we continued playing. No, then it locked up again after a while. Probably got hot again, right? Then it was fine again later, and there weren't many people, so it was fine again.
So regarding the gaming experience on this phone, if you want to play PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds smoothly at 144 frames per second, you should use an air-conditioned room and add a cooler, and it should be fine. But if you jump back with 40 or 50 people, then I really don't know.